Fine, good afternoon to you all students. Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, have you all studied till yesterday's portion? So I have completed chapter 9. Yesterday I have completed chapter 9. So I asked you to study difference between list and dictionary as well as some programs, isn't it? So have you all studied? So please study daily portion, okay students? So welcome to our today's online class students. So today we are going to mark the question answers for chapter 9. Okay. So today we are going to mark the question answers for chapter 9. For that, first all of you take your computer science textbooks in your hand. Okay. So all of you take your computer textbooks in your hand. So please all of you take. And also take either pen or pencil in your hands. Okay. So all of you take your computer textbooks in your hand. Please sit in your place. And also take pen or pencil in your hand. Okay. So I will take fast. Have you all taken? So in your textbooks, take page number 167. Okay. So in your textbook, take page number 167. So first we can mark question answers for first we can mark the one word questions. Okay. So page number 167 in your textbooks. Listen. Have you all taken? So first question answer option D, loop. Okay. First question answer option D, loop. First question answer option D, loop. Then second question answer option B, 8. Second question answer option B, 8. Third question answer option C, len of. Third question answer option C, len of. Len of. Fourth question answer option C. Fourth question answer option C. Okay. Then fifth question answer option B. Fifth question answer option B. Then sixth question answer option C, extend of. Sixth question answer option C, extend of. Next is seventh question answer. So option B. Okay, seventh question answer option B. B. Seventh question answer option B. Eighth question answer option C. Eighth question answer option C. Ninth question answer option D, the extent of function, option D. Then 10th question answer option D. 10th question answer option D. 11th question answer option A, symmetric difference. 11th question answer option A, symmetric difference. 12th question answer option D, colon. 12th question answer option D, colon. Okay. So once more I am repeating the answers for one more question. So please listen carefully and mark it. Okay. So first question answer option D. D, loop. Okay. Second question answer option B, 8. Option B, 8. Third question answer option C, len of. Third question answer option C, len of. Then fourth question answer option C. Option C. Fifth question answer option B. Option B. Then sixth question answer option C, extend of. Option C, extend of. Then seventh question answer option B. Seventh question answer option B. Okay. Then eighth question answer Option C, to know the data type of Python object. Option C, 8th question answer. Okay. Then 9th question answer, option D, the extent of function. Option D. 10th question answer, option D, 1, 3, 6, 9. Option D, 10th question answer. Then 11th question answer, option A, symmetric difference. Option A, symmetric difference. 12th question answer, option D, colon. Okay, 12th question answer, option D, colon. So have you marked one more questions? So now write page numbers for all 2 mark, 3 mark and 4 mark questions. Okay, write the page numbers first. Afterwards we can mark the question answer. So listen carefully. First question, write page number 132. First question, page number 132. 132. 132. Second question, page number 145. Second question, page number 145. Third question answer is right here. X equal to 4. So third question, write x equal to 4. So listen the question. How many elements are there totally? 1, 2, 3. Listen. So already I have taught. So if a nested list means one list is defined inside another list called nested list. So inside the nested list, any number of elements is there. So the list will consider the entire element as a one element. Understand? So listen, how many elements are there totally? 1, 2, 3. So listen, inside the list, another one list contains 3 elements. But this list will consider these 3 elements as a index 1. Understand? So what's the len? 1, 2, 3. So this whole element is a 1. So 4. So in question they asked length of this list. So what's the answer? X equal to 4. Understand? So likewise, one questions they will ask. Write the answer here. X equal to 4. X equal to 4. Then fourth question answer, write page number 140, 41. 140, 41. Fourth question answer, page number 140, 141. Then fifth question answer, page number 151. Page number 151. Sixth question answer, page number 156. Sixth question answer, page number 156. Okay. So once more I am dictating the page numbers for 2 more questions. First question, page number 132. Okay, page number 132. Second question, page number 145. Third question answer is x equal to 4. Then fourth question answer, page number 140, 141. Then fifth question answer, page number 151. Sixth question answer, page number 156. Okay, have you written? Then 3 more question, write the page numbers. First question, page number 150. First question, page number 150. 150. Then second question, page number 145. Page number 145. Second question. Page number 145. So third question answer right here. So inside this bracket, likewise you need to put a square bracket. Inside the bracket you write 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So inside the bracket you should write. Okay. So inside the bracket you should write 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Have you written in the inside the bracket you should write 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So that's the answer for third question. Then fourth question, write the page number 164. Fourth question, write page number 164. Fourth question, page number 164. Fifth question, page number 158. Fifth question, page number 158. Sixth question, page number 165. Sixth question, page number 165. So once more I am dictating the page number for 3 more questions. First question, page number 150, 150. Second question, page number 145, 145. So third question answer, inside the bracket you should write 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Fourth question, page number 164. Fifth question, page number 158. Sixth question, page number 165. So have you all written? Then detailed question. So detailed question, first question, page number 139. Detailed question, first question, page number 139. First question, page number 139. Second question, page number 142. Second question, page number 142. First question, page number 139. Second question, page number 142. Third question, page number 155. Third question, page number 155. 155. Fourth question, 158 to 161. Page number 158 to page number 161. So once more I am dictating the page numbers for the detailed questions. First question, page number 139. Second question, page number 142. Third question, page number 155. Fourth question, page number 158 to 161. Okay. So here all the detailed questions are very, very important. Among that, fourth question is very, very important. Okay. Fourth question is very, very important. So mostly all the 4 questions are very, very important. Okay. So now we can mark the question answers for each. First take page number 132. So take page number 132. So what's the first question? What is a list in Python? So all of you take page number 132. What is a list in Python? So have you all taken page number 132? So under the heading Introduction to List, from the second line, starting from the second line, a list in Python known as sequence data type, till as well, here, till as well. Understand? First question answer, starting from page number 132, starting from here, a list in Python known as sequence data type, from here to till as well, here, till as well. Okay. So have you all marked till as well. Then second question answer. So what's the second question? How will you access the elements in reverse order? So take page number 145. Okay. So page number 145. All of you take. So page number 145. Inside the tabular column. So I will see in reverse of. Inside the tabular column, reverse of. So inside the tabular column, reverse of. From here to till this example 36. Okay, till this example 36. Starting from reverse of. From here to till this example 36. This is second 2 mark question. Okay. Then third question, already you have written the answer. Have you all marked this question? Then fourth question, take page number 140. Okay. Fourth question, take page number 140. 140. Page number 140. So first, listen carefully. From here, there are 2 ways to delete. From here to till. So the second to delete, if it possible means you can write. So at least you write this 3 lines. Okay. This paragraph full. There are 2 ways to delete an element. This paragraph full. Then syntax. Del list of deletes. That inside the hash symbol they have given, no, that no need to write to delete a particular element. to delete multiple element, to delete entire list. This no need. This 3 lines. Del list index of an element. Del list index from to index to. Then del list. This 3 lines. Okay. So the lines they have given inside the comment symbol, no need to write. Understand? So this paragraph starting from there are 2 ways to delete from here to. So till this says index last, no need to write this comments line. Okay, only write this index del list of, then del list. Okay, then same question. Have you all marked this paragraph full? Then this 3 lines. First line, the next line, third line, then fifth line. Okay, only this index. Then same question. Take next page, page number 141. 141. Next page. Here, from here, the remove of function. From here, the remove of function. From here to till no is not known. This one line. Okay, the remove function can also be used to delete one or more elements if the index is not known. Till here, okay, is not known. Understand? Then here also this list dot remove of element. This index you need to write. List dot remove of element. Understand? Very important question. So from here the remove from here to till is not known. Then syntax list dot remove of element. This one you should write. Have you all marked? Then next question, take page number 151. Take page number 151. So page number 151. So in the question they asked syntax for creating multiple n number of elements. Okay. So inside the syntax box, listen. Inside the syntax box from here, tuple with n number of elements. From here to tuple with n number of elements. From here to till this en. This okay. Starting from here, page number 151. Starting from tuple with n number of elements. From here to till the last en. Last en. Okay, that orange color box full. Understand? So this is a fifth 2-mark question. Then sixth 2-mark question. Understand? Starting from here, tuple with n number of elements. From here to till this en. Till this en. Okay. The next question. Take page number 156. Okay. What is a set? Take page number 156. What is a set? So page number 156. Have you all taken? So here under the heading sets from here to in Python a set is a collection from here to till this duplicate elements. Okay. Till duplicate elements. Understand? So starting from in Python a set is a from here to till duplicate elements. Till duplicate elements. Okay. So this is the sixth 2-mark question. Have you all marked? Sixth 2-mark question. Okay. Now 2-mark questions over. Now we can mark the 3-mark question. So take page number 150. First 3-mark question. Take page number 150. 150. Page number 150. Under the heading this one. Advantages of tuples over list. Advantages of tuples over list. From here to first point to till this 3 points. 3 points. Very, very important. Okay. So advantages of tuples over list. This 3 points. Starting from here, the elements of a list are changeable. From here to till faster than list. So till faster than list. Okay. Have you all marked? Then second question. Take page number sort of function. Page number 145. So take page number 145. 145. Very, very important question. This sort of function from here to inside this tabular column from here to till the last. Example Lavanya. Till last this Anida up to this Anida. Okay. So till last. Very, very important question. So sort of function starting from here. Starting from here to till this example Anita. Understand? So this is the second 3-mark question. Okay. Then third 3-mark question, already you have written the answer. Fourth question, difference between dull and clear of. Take page number 164. Okay, so all of you take page number 164. So page number 164. So the last from in Python dictionary, all of you take. So I will take on page number 164. This is the fourth 3-mark question. Okay. From here in Python dictionary, a del keyword is used to from here to till. I will mark from here. Page number 164. From here in Python dictionary, del keyword is used to. From here to page number 164. From here to till the next page syntax. Here also inside this command lines they have given, no, that and all no need to write. Only you can write this one, del. So those things they have given letters in bold, no, bold letters, that enough. That's a syntax. Inside the command lines that they are giving for your understanding. That and all no need to write. Till del dictionary name. Okay, till del of dictionary name. Okay, then this question, if it possible means write this program also. If it possible, if it possible means if you write the program means you will get full mark. Okay, so if it possible means study this example also from here to, so till this output. Okay, till this output. Dict is not defined. So the question starting from page number 164, from here in Python, from here to till page number 165, till this example, dict is not defined. Those who are feeling tough to study this example means, so leave this example, study this syntax. Up to this syntax you can study. Okay. So each questions are very, very important. So in this, from this chapter, surely you can expect any one of the questions. Either you can expect 2 mark, 3 mark or 5 marks. Okay. Sometimes you will get 1 2 mark, 1 3 mark or 1 5 mark from this chapter. Very, very important chapter. Okay. Then fifth question, page number 158. Page number 158. 158. So page number 158. So set operations supported in Python. Take page number 158. So this question, listen carefully. So starting from here, the Python is also supports the set operations such as union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference. Okay, this line. Next, each heading you should draw the diagram. No need to explain the contents. So you should draw the diagram for each heading. For 3 mark question, for example, listen. Union, this diagram you need to draw. Okay, then intersection, this listen carefully one more. So diagram as well as one point. This point you should write in Python operator. So the operator, that and all you need to write. Okay. First you should, from here starting from the Python is also support from here to each heading the diagram with the first point. That means the operator you need to mention. Example no need to write. Okay. Then second, intersection, this diagram, then these 2 points. Diagram, these 2 points. Okay. Then next, difference, this diagram as well as these 2 points. For then symmetric difference, these 2 points, diagram as well as next 2 points. Understand? So each heading you should draw the diagram and what's the meaning of that diagram. So that 2 points you should explain. Very, very, very important question. Okay, have you all marked? Very, very important question this one. Then next question, difference between list and dictionary. Take page number 165. List and dictionary. Page number 165. So page number 165. Starting from here, list is an ordered set of elements. From here to till look up another value. Till this look up another value. This 3 points. Very, very important. So in this chapter, mostly all the questions are very, very important. Okay. So starting from list is an ordered elements. From here to till look up another value. Have you all marked? So 3 more question over, then we can mark detail question. First detail question, take page number 139. Okay. So take page number 139. First detail question, take page number 139. So page number 139, starting from very important question this one. Okay. So what are the different ways for inserting elements in the list? Very important question. So study well. Okay. So starting from here in Python, adding more elements in a list. Starting from here to till that page last, position to the right, that page full. Very important questions. Okay. From here surely they will ask own questions also. They give the program and ask you to write the insert of function, extend of function. Okay. So please study the examples also thorough. Understand? Starting from here, adding more elements in a list. Starting from here to till this page last, position to the right, page number 139. Okay. So I will mark. This is the first detail question answer. Then second detail question answer, page number 142. Second detail question answer, page number 142. Very important question. Range of function. Okay, page number 142. Starting from here, list and range of. Starting from here, list and range of function. Okay. So starting from here, list and range of function. From here to till page number 144. Till page number 144. The example till here 100. Okay. Till this example. Before list comprehension. Okay. Starting from page number 142. Starting from here, list and range of function. Understand? Starting from here to till page number 144 up to this example, up till 100. Before the list comprehension. Very important question. So all the 4 detailed questions are very important. Okay, this chapter. Have you all marked? This is the second to 5 mark question. Then third question, what is a nested tuple? Page number, take page number 155. Nested tuple. Page number 155. So page number 155 under the heading nested tuple. Okay. Page number 155 under the heading nested tuple. From here to till this program 93.8. Okay. Page number 155. So under heading starting from nested tuple. From here to till this program output 93.8. Okay. Very important question. This one also. Understand? Then fourth detail question, very important question. Okay, set operations. Page number 158. Okay, set operations. Page number 158. Starting from here, set operations. Starting from here to till page number. So till page number 161. Okay, till this page number 161 last. Till page number 161 last. Okay. So starting from once more, starting from page number page number 156 58. Starting from page number 158 set operations from here to till page number 161. Okay, till page number 161 this program. So here listen, each programs they have given 2 program. Each heading they have given 2 examples. Same only one using operator, one using what? This, the symmetric dot difference, like this dot union of any one program you can write. So if it possible means study 2. So each heading, those who are feeling tough to study 2 programs, so study any one program from each heading. Each heading you should write 1 program. Very important questions. You should explain all the headings. Then what do you mean by, for example, what do you mean by union operation? Then diagram. Then what's the operator using for union, intersection, symmetric difference. Then example. Okay. So diagrams you should use pencil and scale to draw. Okay. Don't use pen, to draw. So next week onwards you have exam, isn't it? So exam portions is till this chapter 9 I have completed, and also question answers also I have marked. So listen carefully. The exam portion is chapter 1 to chapter 9. Okay, understand? Exam portion is chapter 1 to chapter 9. So listen. So in detail questions or any questions, if diagram comes means, so please draw the diagrams using pen, not pen, using pencil. Use scale and pencil to draw. So please draw with rough hand with pens. If you draw with pens with rough hand means I'll cut and put 0 mark for that question. Okay. So if any diagram is there means you should draw pencil and scale. You should use pencil and scale to draw. Okay. And also listen. 1 mark questions I'll take 1 marks from both book inside as well as book back. So all of you should write the 1 mark questions. Don't leave any 1 mark questions. So last exam I have seen many students have written only the book back questions. What one word I have asked from book back, that they have written the answer. But what are the questions I have taken from book inside, they have just leave the question. So it is very tough for you to write. So for your annual exam also, they won't ask from book back. Only 60% they ask from book back and 40% from book inside. So please study line by line each chapter. Okay. So this exams all of you should write all the 1 mark questions. Don't leave any 1 mark questions. Okay. So once more I am telling exam portions chapter 1 to chapter 9. Study all the portions very thorough. So best of luck students remaining. So next class I will take chapter 10. We can continue in the next class. Thank you students. Thank you.